Hey friends, we're in the process of repainting our cabinets and wanted to show you a neat little product that has really helped us color match when we are doing this with our shelves on the internal parts of the cabinets. You can see these are little shelf pegs. Now these ones are 1/4 inch, 6 millimeter, and as you can see again, they are just perfect for holding up shelves and to match your paint. Now again, make sure the holes that were drilled in your specific cabinets match up with the peg cylinder here. And then you basically can slot them in and place your shelves on top, and then everything really matches up and hides well. Here's the cabinets that we already finished. You can see the pegs in the back there and on the sides holding things up. The old ones were brown to match the wood color, and these ones again are really nice because they're white and allow us to really do that color matching and hide them a little bit easier. So there you go. Cool little product, really like these, and we definitely give them a thumbs up.